Hey guys, this is the first of its kind. This is an HPC Revolution Interceptor. A police department in Virginia reached out to us to see what we can possibly come up with because they needed something fast, lightweight, under 100 pounds, and something that could run down pretty much anything in silence. And this thing is pretty sick and decked out. We got here this siren that's built into it. We have the lighting system, the integrated 4,000 lumen lighting system. We have the built-in police lights. These are American-made police lights, front, rear, and both sides. And it blinks that white to blue to red. And this thing is just sick and it's really fast. And this particular bike is 7,000 watts. And it is really fast. It goes 60 miles per hour in complete silence. You can chase down bad guys. They won't know what came up behind them and how the heck you're so fast. So this bike has a 100+ mile range. It has a 2,400 watt-hour battery. It has these custom Shad 23 cases, and these are lockable storage cases on both sides. So you have a key right here, it opens up, you could put all your stuff in there, you could fit a lot of cargo, and it's completely lockable. We developed this all new rack specifically for the police bike. It allows us to have a really heavy duty integrated kickstand, the lights attached to it, and these two big cases in the back fit perfectly. You still have your 60+ mile per hour pedaling capability with this Schlumpf High Speed Drive made in Germany. And this thing is just a beast of a bike. We're really excited to start getting these things out. For this particular police bike, we decided to go with these ultra heavy duty moto wheels. These are the same wheels that we are selling on the Revolution W, the one that can hit really, really high speeds, up to 80 miles per hour, but they just have so much durability and you don't have to worry about flats nearly like bike tires, and they just will last thousands and thousands of miles. So they are really robust, really durable, and they'll last forever. And so even with all these accessories and all these lights and the heavy wheels and the Shad cases, it's still not too bad. You can still lift this bad boy up. So it's unlike anything else in your fleet. A lot of police departments across the country are having mandates that a certain percentage of your fleet has to go electric. So here is a perfect made in the USA frame on this Revolution, hand-built. Every part of this bike is hand-built and put together here in our Simi Valley location. So these bikes are 1/4 to 1/5 of the weight of a lot of the existing motorcycles and electric motorcycles we've seen fleets have. So you can have a lot less fatigue driving something this lightweight. You can pick this up, you can maneuver it. It's a lot easier to work with and get into places because it's so much lighter than everything else. So if you are involved with any federal agencies, we have a whole line of electric bikes on GSA Advantage that you could take a look at. We can build anything from our more typical electric bikes to something really fast and fun like this Revolution Interceptor, and anything in between. So check us out. We're High Power Cycles. Thanks for watching.